It's raining, guys, and we're leaving. Oops, ano to? It's raining today. By the way, if you are wondering, I got a new hoodie. Hindi ko to na-vlog, guys. Well, I think a little sneak peek on the this hoodie. But yeah, we got this one from Buc-ee's. Nung nag-stop over kami sa Kentucky ba yun, babe? Was it in Kentucky? When we stopped over the Buc-ee's store?
I think so.
Yeah, so matching-matching kami ng kids because the kids has the same hoodie like this logo. Diba cute? And I also have a mug from Buc-ee's, guys. It's so nice kasi malaki. Yun nga lang, I used it yesterday and hindi siya magkasya sa microwave. It doesn't fit to our microwave, so I have to like use our regular cup and then put to the mug that I have from Buc-ee's. Hindi ko yun napakita, but I'll show you. Okay, bakit ako mag-vlog? Actually, I was loaded of videos. Meron pa akong mga videos from New York that I haven't edited yet, and I also have something to do with this video. That's why I'm vlogging today, because this is something that I wanted to like capture the moment. By the way, we just got home yesterday, babe. Was it yesterday? Early morning, like 2 in the morning.
Yeah, 1:30.
And I couldn't be able to vlog. That's because we are so jet lag, pagod, because it was like a long trip for us from Kentucky to here. So grabe, especially him, he was driving the whole time. So yeah, so hindi ako makapag-vlog. Well, I did make a video about my unboxing the box that the subscriber sent me because it was special. I have to do the video because of course I need to let this person knows that I received the box or I received the item you sent me, and I'm so grateful. So I really have to make a video about it. So yun, meron din akong i-return na item na purchase ko sa Shein, guys, and then it was my fault because I think I didn't like look farther on the review. There was somebody says like you have to add size because it's a small size. So I was listening and I did the wrong choice. So I purchased the small size of these jeans and it was bigger size on my regular size. So I need to return this item to the post office today. Also, post office na kami, guys. So drop ko lang tong item na to. And then Bill has to check his mailbox too. Let's go. Are you done? Are you? You're not gonna poop? You need to poop. You have to poop. You wanna come inside? Are you done already?
See, I'm a good girl, so you should give me a treat.
You ready to go home with us? You ready to go home? Which one you like? Which one you like? Huh? Which one? Which one, babe, should I give her?
Just pick one, doesn't matter. I don't know where it is.
Come here, Kali, come here.
Okay. See if she likes it or not. Is that good?
She was like, more. more.
Okay.
We are at Belle's sister's house. So this is her dog. And planning to take her home. Are you ready to be home, Kali? Agree. Alright, sit. I want you to sit and behave yourself. Okay? Do you want more treat? Sit. Just sit so I can give you more treat.
Sit.
Just sit. It's gonna open. Did you lock this?
Did you like it?
Lock. I think it's locked. Raining talaga. Ano ba? Do you want me to open the door? Woohoo! Do you wanna go in? Come here. Kali is here with us now. Hindi namin na-drop yung item sa PO box, guys. Kasi PO box. Sa post office, kailangan pala siya naka-sealed. Hindi ko naman alam kasi when I was in the Philippines, if I am purchasing something in Shein and then I need to return something, J&T is actually accepting kahit yung na-tear na yung ano ba, packaging, and then they will like, in J&T, they will package it back, ano tawag ito, sila yung magpapack ulit ng item na i-return. But in post office, no, they're not gonna accept package na naka-tear. Dapat ikaw mismo yung ilalagay mo yung item na sealed siya before mo siya.
And who were you using to send it back there?
In the Philippines?
Yeah.
J&T. It's a courier.
Right, which is a carrier like UPS. Like if you use Philippines Postal Service, I doubt they would have done it.
Okay.
So that's no different than it is here.
Gara ang ulan, guys. Kusog noon siya. It's raining hard. Goodness. Are you looking for water? Are you looking for water? Her ears was like, hey. Nicole, Yasli, come here. Nicole, Yas... Huh?
Where's her other bowl at?
Aman si ate? Sit. Very good. Sit. Maminaw, mandi ay. You're listening, mandi ay. Sit. Sit. Oh, dapat na isog. You have to be strong. We are wearing machi ate also. Ate is wearing the bakis. No, she was like, she was looking at your food. Who is that? I don't know. Who is that? Eat, Callie. Eat. Eat. Yeah. You can walk her outside. You can play outside. Ayun, okay, ulan. 12:39 in the afternoon, guys. I'm hungry. We need to eat something. Para pang pa-energy ba? I am having coffee right now. Kahit hapon na. Kasi I'm craving for this for a long time. Next ko lang yung ating mug. Ito yung nabili pala namin, guys, sa Bacchus. Bacchus? Yeah. Tingnan nyo naman yung details ng ating mug. Look how nice. Ito yung binili namin sa Bacchus, guys, nung nag-stop over kami sa Kentucky. Kasama to, matchy kami ng mga kids. Andun sila, suot nila yung kanilang... Come here, come here, come here, come here. Show them. Huh? Yasli! Come here. Come here, good Yash. Come here. She kami.
From small to
So, parang ano to? Little extra small and then small and then medium. So, I've been craving so badly with Nescafe 3-in-1. 3-in-1 kasi if you guys are following me, when I was still in the Philippines, 3-in-1 Nescafe talaga ako sa Philippines when it comes to coffee. Nasanay lang ako sa coffee ni Belle here kasi wala akong choice. Kasi I couldn't find Nescafe in the store. And then, when I went to the Asian store close by, they only have Kopiko. So, hindi ako makopiko. Nescafe 3-in-1 talaga ako. And then, Ma'am Juris, hello. She sent me, naisip niya talaga akong bigyan. Well, na-picture ko na to kasi I was doing unboxing, but I'm still gonna say it again. Thank you so much. Isa pa lang yung natanggap. Isa pa lang yung nakuha. So, dalawang package. Dalawang, ganito ba? Yung binigay niya sa akin. And then, this is like 30 pieces. 30 sachet. 30 sachet. So, good for 1 month siya, guys. And then, baka tatagal pa yan kasi nasanay na nga ako sa coffee ni Belle, diba? So, but I'm still gonna treat this one. Kasi like I said, I'm craving for this thing. Tagal ko talaga hinanap to. Hindi ko siya makita. But then, yeah, Ma'am Juris, thank you so much. Super bait talaga ni Ma'am Juris. Super. Like, sinabi ko pa naman sa kanya na, agoy, miga, baka sasabihin ng ibang tao na over na ako. Kasi, like I said, guys, ilang beses na siya, ilang beses. She really sent me many stuffs already, like since I was still in the Philippines, and it was really so nice of her to do that, even if she haven't met me in person. Alam niyo yun, yung like people who do that like willingly because they're happy to give back. She's so super blessed enough, and she's so happy to, because like hindi lang ako yung binigyan niya, by the way. I'm not the only person she actually sent some stuffs. She gave to many people, not just me, okay? And she also had charities and etc. yung mga organization na nag-help sila ng mga kids whatsoever. So marami siyang mga ginagawa sa buhay, and that's why she is super blessed. Yung mga bata, pagbukas namin ng box kahapon, like kinain na nila agad yung marshmallow with chocolate. Sobrang nagustuhan nila, guys. Namin malabas yung dog kasi umuulan nga. And then yeah, she's looking at my food. No, you cannot have my food. You have your own food. You have to eat your own food. Not this. This is not for you. Request na yung isa na kumain ng food. Kasi he has to go to visit his sister today. So magluluto tayo, guys. As usual sa mga hindi pa na nunood ng aking vlog, what usually Bill eat is a meat. Okay, so meron kami naka-separate na dito. Asan na yung mga ganitong meat, guys? So what I have to do is just cook it, and then put butter in it, and then egg, and then put some cheese. So yun lang yun. And then I'll put it in a tortilla wrap. I just ate once a day, sometimes twice, pero rare na yung twice, pero once a day talaga. So he needs to eat now before he leave. Kids are folding the clothes. Marami pa talaga. I think I still have one load na kailangan kong labhan. And then I was even planning yesterday na labhan ko pala yung comforter, or yung comforter ng kids. Pero kawawa na yung washing natin. It's been running since yesterday, and it's still running today. Kawawa. Kasi nung pagdating namin from New York, we are not doing any laundries when we were in New York. So lahat po yung 3 luggages, punong-puno yun ng clothes. And then I think we had few clothes left from that trip na clean. Mostly talaga kailangan labhan. So yun. And I did it yesterday. That's why I was really like busy doing laundry the whole time. I know we had automatic here, but still kailangan mo rin mag-fold and then mag-hanger, so it takes time also. Maybe she wants to be, I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe she wants, huh? Maybe she wants to pee, I'm not sure though. If she wants, maybe. Like every now and then I think we need to take her out.
If she really wanted to go out, she would stand by the door and bark.
You guys want to eat rice? Not anymore. Okay, revelation, guys. When we were in New York, by the way, this is the funny part, you know, like I always told myself like, ay, hindi ko ata kaya na walang rice. But when we were in New York for 1 week, we did not eat rice at all. Walang rice doon. So we live, we survive.
Uy, nahurot yung food.
Nahurot yung food. Nakapag-survive kami, no, na without rice. So I'm now thinking if I should buy rice. We still have some meat left here. Like, meron pa akong chicken. And then, you know, remember that Ma'am Juris is sending us crispy fries. So I think we'll buy rice. Uy, para di masayang yung crispy fry. Para makapagluto tayo ng chicken. Meron akong chicken dito. Lagyan natin crispy fry. Mag-fry tayo for the kids. So, yeah, I think we will buy rice. Pero di tayo mag-rice every day. So, yan siguro yung kailangan kong oops! That's something that we need to get used of. Na wag mag-rice every day. It's really cold right now. Down ata yung kanyang temperature na kanyang aircon. Naka 70 ata kami today. From now, it's not gonna rain.
Sí, tare que cuánto yo se como go a chat a toda que mo or mo scratch on the.
Well, that's because our dog in the Philippines are so free. I mean, like, we have a big backyard. They are staying outside all the time. Dogs here are all like house dog. They're staying inside. That's why. Yan. Ito yung cheese na ginagamit ko. Like, it's a mix of Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. Yeah. And I put a lot. Kasi prefer nung isa na marami. Talaga. Like marami. As in marami. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Oh. Wrap it in tortillas. Ayaw niyang ipainit kasi mainit na yung laman or yung meat. So, yeah, this is Belle's food. Look at her. Look at her. She's listening what I said.
You know what to do?
Ayaw ko sanang lumabas kasi mag-i-edit ako ng video. But sinama ako nitong isa. Anyway, guys. We will be going to see his sister today. She is in the hospital. Anyway, gamit ko na yung bag from Ma'am Ami. Thank you so much. O, diba? Meron akong pang ano na bag. Wala kasi akong bag, guys. I mean, yung bag na pwede paglagyan ng maraming gamit ba? Yung isang bag na nabili ko sa Davao, yun nabili. Sa Davao pa yun. Malaki na bag. So, malaki kasi yun na bag. But I like that bag also. Yun nga lang, may mga lakad tayo na hinunid ng maraming gamit. So, this one is enough. It's nice. Thank you. What time is it? 2:53.
Almost 3.
Yeah, 2:53 in the afternoon. Bang hospital pala yun, guys. Kanina pala sinabi ko ba? St. Joseph Hospital ba?
Go this way.
Actually, ano pangalan ng hospital? Baylor Scott and White Medical Center. I think we've been staying there for like almost 2 hours. Almost hours, ba?
Yeah, probably about 2 hours.
Yeah. Kasi umalis kami kanina, mga ano ba yun? 2 something or almost 3. And then 5:17 na ng hapon. So maybe while we are here, maybe let's go to...
Just need to go to H-E-B.
Yeah.
So we're almost out of eggs.
Yeah. And also butter. I was thinking about something. Rice. Rice, butter, milk. Yeah, it's super busy. Nagsiuwian na yung mga tao. Super busy dito right now. Yeah. H-E-B na kami, guys. We're gonna buy the rice, babe. That's the most important thing for today's grocery. We're getting dog food also because Kali is at home. So yes, he knows what she likes because she was with you for a long time.
I always got this.
Which one? Okay. See, I told you guys, gusto ko nang mag-diet pero tingnan niyo tong isa. Wala to sa plano, babe.
Huh?
This is not included to our plan. We just came here to get rice, not ice cream. Oh, sinong hindi lalaki niyan? Tingnan nyo nga itong isa. Kukuha na naman yan. It's just so funny because this rice are so little. Like this one. Well, get this one. This is the biggest. Oh, this is. It's buslot, babe. Babe, this is here.
Jasmine rice.
Texas size pack. See? There you go. Rice is life. The biggest rice I've ever seen here. Wala nang dagkong sako. Sobrang lamig sa area na to, guys. Which one, babe?
This one?
Yeah, anything bigger.
No, I don't like that one.
I'm so complicated. But you're still with me. You're gonna stuck with me for the rest of your life.
No? You don't like these?
That's
I
nice.
can put them back.
No, that's nice. Thanks. So we got home already from the grocery today. Hi, Kali. Hi, Kali. Are you okay? What? What? Anyway, so this is what we got. Grocery haul tayo, guys. So ito yung mga binili namin. Originally, yung plan talaga namin why kailangan namin pumunta ng grocery today is just to buy rice, egg, yung butter, and then yung milk. 4 lang yun, guys, ha? 4 items. Pero look what we've got in here. Naparami yung bili namin. But anyway, so bumili kami ng rice, jasmine rice, of course. Kasi ito lang yung, I think, same as Philippine rice. Yung taste niya ba? Ito yung binili ko nung nakaraan. So, this is actually my second 20-pound rice na nabili since we arrived here from the Philippines. So, can you believe it? Almost 2 months na kami dito. Pero, pangalawa pa lang yan na rice na nabili ko, guys. And here we've got Hot Pocket. Kasi, if we really rushed in and kailangan namin kumain agad-agad, ito agad yung microwave lang. And then, ready. And then, bumili pala ako ng toast. Kasi, maganda to. Masarap to in the morning with coffee. Especially that I have coffee in here. The Nescafe 3-in-1. Ay, perfect siya talaga, guys. Usually, every morning, hindi talaga ako kumakain. So, what I always do in the morning is coffee lang. Walang ibang, binabite. But, I think it would really be good to have something to bite while having coffee. So yeah, perfect siya. I think I have to keep this refrigerated. Tama ba? Kasi naka-ref to eh. So ref natin siya, guys. And then we have here eggs. Dalawang ang binili namin, guys. Ayun. Kasi importante yung eggs, especially kay Belle. Mga eggs talaga yan. So, kailangan marami ng eggs. And then, ice cream. Meron tayong ice cream, guys. Hindi ako naririnig ng mga kids. Kasi kung naririnig nila ako, I'm sure they will be like, oh, my ice cream. Ito, sabi ko, hindi ko nag-miss ito ay. Ano ba ito? And then, ito ay, ano to, babe? What did you get? Tenderloin? Pork? Ah, yes, perfect. Kumuha siya ng tenderloin. And then, we have bacon. We have bacon and we have beef steak. Yes, beef steak. And what else do we have here? Meron tayong vegetables, spinach, I think. Para kay Ben ko, guys. Aggoy nga nang may palit pa makagmaris Caesar. Babe, you still have here. Kapag galing abrihan rin sa ata. Tama ba? Ay, ay. Then we have milk, guys. What else do we have here? Meron kaming cheese para kay Belto. And then butter. Butter. And then, ano pa? Cheese, ham. Yan kaming ham. Here. And then, what else? Meron tayong, bumili kami ng paper towel and then, toilet towel. Toilet paper towel. And then, of course, ang aking favorite, pineapple. Craving ng pineapple. Here, guys, pineapple. And then, strawberry. Nicole, here's for you daw. Ikong si Daddy. Spinach, pineapple. Ayan, guys. And then, i-arrange na ako. And then, bumili ako ng sushi. This will be my dinner for tonight. Kasi yung kids, meron na silang food. Ala na nga, hayang naman akong sushi. Ay! Yeah, sushi. From HEB. Ito yung magiging dinner natin. Yung ating flowers. Lagay natin to sa ating flower vase. Yung ating flower, guys. Lagyan natin ng tubig yung ating flower vase para malagay natin yung ating flower. Okay. Flower natin, guys, mag-bloom yan. Yung nilagay ko kanina na parang powdery pang pa-bloom daw yan ng flower. So, yung iba kasi naka-close pa. So, mag-o-open yan. Like, a day or two. Play with that? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Ibalikod ka patot si Mama. Sit. Ibalikod ka patot si Mama. Sit. O, patot lagi.
Good job. Hands. Now you're not treats.
Patot lagi.
High five. High five.
If you high five,
Kabalo mo high five.
dili i-report siya.
High five.
Hindi ba?
High five.
Dili ka mahali mo di siya.
Sit.
Dili ka i-report. Pero
Very good. High five.
high five.
Ano siya kabalo high five? Hindi yung nagdili mo authority. Dapat harder yung ibigay set. Sit. Nagahi ba?
No.
Anak.
Sit.
Authority.
High five.
Nangihat siya. Sit. Sit. You sit. Kapoy na siya mo. Ang isa sit niya, isa narulaan ko.
It's been a long time to survive.
It's been a long time.
Ow.
3 scoops lang.
Ikaw kuha ma.
Ako rin kuha na.
Ikaw kuha ma.
Ako rin kuha
Kubaso.
na. Yes, ako rin kuha. Patay. Ako rin kuha.
Si Mama.
Mana. Bebe. Kuha ng kutsara. Kami.
Ako ka na.
Ay, ano? Di man siya ano? Naman gahi mo.
Tupo.
Kain ng ice cream, people.
Ibog na.
Side. Mukhang gumay lang. Kuha ni Colin. Babe, you want ice cream, babe?